The silent generation has always been known as the greatest generation, and they are. They are the generation that truly is, they're patriots. They saved America, and they saved the way of life in which all generations now enjoy today. They are truly the greatest generation. The baby boomers. The baby boomers, I would argue, are the most influential generation of our time. Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, from technology to music to politics, you name the subject, baby boomers are still to this day influencing the world in which we live in every facet. Generation X is the step back and question things generation. They were raised in a climate of 50% divorce rates, a lot of economic uncertainty. They really question authority, and they are the generation that will question the status quo. Millennials are the generation of we. They're civic-minded, socially concerned. They care deeply about the environment. They truly want to make the world a better place to live. They are the generation of we, not just me. Generation Z, sadly, are on track to be the generation of me. And it's more or less because they are more introverted. There's less socializing in terms of in-person socialization. They tend to communicate more via text, which, as exciting as it is to think about the way technology is changing and the devices we use, it's hindering their ability to have interpersonal skills developed in relationships to be solidified.